Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to change volume using your headphones Philips. So, to change the volume you need to find touch area what located at the right ear cup. So right here we have this wheel, this one is touch area. Now let me play some song, let's say this one, and now you need to slide up to increase the volume, so let's check it. And as you can see at this widget I just increased the volume. To lower the volume you need to slide down at this touch area, so let's check it. And as you can see at this widget I increased the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!